Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. RPA tools. Top 31 best robotic process automation software on the market. Part 5. Automation Edge. Automation Edge is a self-styled hyperautomation RPA tool. It offers a combination of document processing, cognitive chatbots, and RPA IT automation. One of the best things about Automation Edge is its friendly and slick interface. Inflector RPAs. Inflector RPAs is an automated software testing tool. Unlike the previous entries on the list so far, their style of RPA is less geared toward business process automation and more toward verifying software testing. The RPA tool allows users to build automations via JavaScript or spreadsheets. ABI Vantage. ABI Vantage is an intelligent document processing (IDP) tool. While the scope of the tool may be more limited than other contenders on the list, Vantage is perfect for teams who need help with processing documents. ZAPTEST Enterprise. ZAPTEST offers a fantastic free version. Our 2-in-1 Enterprise enables any task automation for any UI and API technology for testing and RPA implementation. Some of the best features of ZAPTEST's RPA software solution include OneScript technology, which helps to create automation across different platforms, API, and devices without the need of rewriting scripts for each of these platforms. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.